guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys Madam Glam's Perfect collection. I've actually wanted this collection before, so I'm so happy that they let me try this out. So I do have my mom's nails, so she's gonna be my model. Basically we just did a fill on her, we buffed in everything. She's basically growing out her natural nails, you guys. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell button. And also it really does help the channel if you guys give me a like, please and thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what she wants to try out. So, ¿cuál te gusta para tus uñas? ¿Sabes lo que debería de ser un swatch video? ¿Esta? El pink. ¿Cómo sabía que te iba a gustar esta? Oh wow, pretty. Okay, so let me get some swatch sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and with the Perfect Red first. And I do have a coupon code for Madam Glam, you guys, in the description box. So if you guys want to try any other products out, you can get a little extra discount with my coupon code. And this is one swatch. This is why I love their products. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more so you guys actually can see a little bit better. But that is basically Perfect Red. So I'm gonna kind of go in rainbow order in a sense. So I'm gonna go with Perfect Orange. And I think I already have. Yeah, I do. I have some of these already, but not all of them. So I think I do have Perfect Orange and Perfect Black, and I think that's it as far as the Perfect collection. But so basically now I have double those two. And the Perfect Orange is super pretty. I think this was the first color they ever sent me. And it's so pretty. And that's what that looks like, and that is one swatch. I'll just be doing one swatch on all of them, you guys. So that's what I really like about Madam Glam, is that you don't need to do two swatches all the time, and it'll still be very super opaque, and it won't be as bulky, because you know, the more you add more swatches on the nail or more layers, the nails start losing their shape in a sense. So this is Perfect Pink. Make sure I'm in frame. And it's just a nice pretty light pink. It's like a true pink. It literally looks like the pink matching the design in the back. So that's Perfect Pink. Okay, let's go with yellow. So this is, I love their bottles. It's so pretty. Okay, so then this is Perfect Yellow. All right. Beautiful color. Perfect Green. See what it looks like. It's kind of like a dark green. Super pigmented. Very pretty. I bet you these colors will look so pretty in matte as well. Perfect Blue. Purple. I feel like with the purple one, looks like it might need a double coat, but it still looks really good right there. We got Perfect Brown. I've been wanting to try this one. Brown with the white. Perfect White. This is my first Perfect White, so let's see what it looks like. Very nice. Before we do perfect silver. Perfect black, which I love. This is literally my 3rd bottle, so I'm super happy because this is a very popular color. And look at that one coat of perfect black. Okay, and this is perfect silver. I wonder if they have perfect gold. That's very nice. Perfect silver. There. This I would suggest you get if you're gonna get any colors at all first, because they're basically your primary colors, your secondary colors, and obviously your must-haves, your black and your white and a silver. I'm gonna see if they have a gold, because I think I need to get a gold one. But yeah, that's all of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my mom's nails. So the first thing I like to do when people are gonna use gel, what I like to do first is add some protein bond. And the protein bond for me is gonna adhere the gel onto the nails for a lot longer of a time. So we're gonna protein bond all of her nails that are already refilled with the acrylic. For the acrylic, I use Koopa monomer and powder. And this protein bond's going low, so I do have an extra bottle. Might need to have to order some more. All right. I'm probably gonna zoom out a little bit. All right. For her nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and use silver underneath. We're gonna do some Swarovski stones, like a full bling nail on each one of her hands, and then I'm gonna use the color for the whole set. And I'm capping the ends to prevent as much shipping as possible. ¿Te gusta el color?
Me encanta.
Me too.
Este de plata.
Este lo voy a usar.
Ah, ok.
Te voy a poner diamantes. So, este va a estar abajo. Yeah. such a pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and take Madam Glam top coat gel, and this one's tacky, so we're gonna have to remove the residue with alcohol. I mean, with the wipe with some alcohol. Okay, cap it. We're gonna also do this before adding the stones because I'm gonna have to buff it. That way it doesn't ruin the color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and buff the silver now. Actually, I'm supposed to remove the tacky coat first. Let's do that first. So they're still shiny and everything, but gotta remove the shine off this one because this is where we're adding the stones. All right, let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and use, let me see, this is, I believe the 16, so I'm gonna have to use, what size is this? 7 and 9? Yeah, we'll do 7 and 9. Okay, I'm gonna grab some Mia's Secret gel resin. And work my way down. So I'm just gonna add a little bit as I go. For this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and put activator spray for Mia's Secret, and it's gonna freeze the glue and the stones. And I think one got removed there, so we have to, hold on. I think this one, for some reason, they just flew out of the way. Let me go ahead and add some here. Who knows what happened there, but add a stone there. Another one down here. Alrighty. So then that's one hand there. ¿Te gusta? All right, so let's do the other hand. All right, so I'm just adding the cuticle oil. It's already done. The blinged out nails came out nice. Let's see. Put some lotion on the nails. And then we're gonna show you how they came out. So I'm gonna get my little rug.